Night. We're building the Hi75 from Leobog. What up, Roland? I don't know why I said Ronald, but sorry about that. Nuckin, thank you for the resub. Stream baby? What? Let's see, what is this? Some stickers? Accessories? Let's open this up. Oh, so I got blue. Or light blue. Or baby blue. And for some reason, there's two switches in it. Yo, with your Bauer light, did you have any issues with the 7 and 8 key scratching against the injection mold sprue? I had to sand the shit out of mine, sadly. Not that I've noticed at all. Eric with the raid. What up, Eric? Thank you very much. The one thing that right away I don't like is, why is this red? It ruins the mood. What's going on, y'all? Thank you for the raid, Eric. For those that don't know me, my name is Bokeh Bob, and just like Eric, I do keyboard content. Tonight we are building the Leobog Hi75. What'd you build tonight, Eric? This is a foam board. We're gonna keep it that way. I don't like the sticker though, so I'm gonna peel that right on off. And it came off without any issue. Redacted, thank you for the follow. Thank you. Doesn't look like it's Bluetooth or anything like that. The stabs are clip-in stabs. They do look pre-lubed. I see little globs of lube on the wires. So we'll mess with those. Hopefully not. It came with two switches, but we're going to be using our own switches. That's right. Rebuilt a Jane with MX Browns on PC. How did it come out? The Splujo Lube, exactly. I'm getting all these YouTube subs or YouTube followers. Thank you very much. They're probably delayed from the last time that I raid. Yeah, this is the design on the back. Shin highs on PC is not it. And then it has a little let me see if I can get the light right. It has a little astronaut right here. Whoops. Let me see what's in this. If it's anything, sounds pretty good. Shin highs on PC is not it. Coiled cable is all that is in the accessories box. They got all these little like metal stickers in here too. But I'm not going to worry about those. At least Brown's on PC, you said sounded pretty good. I hate polycarbonate plates. I mean, unless you're foaming the board out, to me, polycarbonate's kind of meh. Yeah, it looks good, like you said, redacted. Besides this, I like that. You hear that? I also really hate PC plates, but people told me MX Browns work really well, and I think this is going to be the only time you use a PC plate. The only time I use a PC plate is if I have to. That's why if we have enough, you just put shin highs on copper. That's going to be real clacky. Only time I use PC plate is like this. This was sent out to me to build, review, do content on. And obviously there's no other plates for it. So we'll build with it. I have no idea what switches these are. The Leobog switch. No idea why they put 2 in here. But those will go in with the... I have a whole thing of switches that I use for space bars, so I'll put them over there. I'm not going to take this apart just because, like I said, we're just going to rebuild it how it is, stock. And then we'll try the stabilizer. Oh, I'm going to tune the stabilizers so they sound good. I actually want to show y'all something that I got that's fucking awesome. If you have a Lowe's near you, I highly suggest you get one, or you can get it off of I think you can get off Lowe's.com. Don't buy my neck. How fucking cool is this? Use chopstick. Thank you for the follow. 20 bucks. 20 bucks. You can get them in a bunch of different colors. You have the top. Two drawers. It's 100% metal. What's up, Puncture? Lowe's. Does it come in size men's? But yeah, I am always searching for more storage. I don't need 4 of them, but I want 4 of them. They might Smoke, check on their, either download their app or check online. They might not have them in stock because it's a pretty popular item. So I bought mine on their app and it was shipped to me free and within 2 days. Would it be weird on my bedside table? Wormy Worm, thank you for the follow. All right, switches. Let's talk switches. I got a fuck ton of switches right now. Do we want to go matchy, or do we just want to pick a what we would think is a better sounding switch? Yeah, I was thinking the ripples rolling too. That's what I was thinking, is the ripples. These actually, these were, I think these came out today from Click Clack. I do have a YouTube review up on them. Awesome switch. It's like an Owl Lab Neon, slightly more full. We have the new HMX EVAs that came in. The nipple switch. Where can I buy the ripples now? If so, where? You can get them, WF Brown, you can get them on Click Clack. Let me get you, I'm gonna shoot the affiliate link just because I'm gonna be that person. So that's the ripples. Have you ever tried spring swapping on a HMX? I have not. We also have the Lotus, HMX Lotus. I don't think I've really used these yet. I could actually put the stabs in these too, but I'm not redoing stabs tonight. And then we got the B-Sun Sakura. But these are pretty quiet. So I think I would personally choose between these three. The Lotus, the EVA, HMX EVA, or the Ripple. My vote would be the Ripple switch. Just because it matches. So I think we're going to go with the Spring Swap HMX switches, the 60 gram, 22 minutes. My top one favorite among HMX next to Shinhai's. Well, it's got foam in it, so you're not going to really hear the actual switch sound. It's just going to be that foam sound. What y'all thinks? Ripples? Here, I'll put up a poll. We're going to do a poll. I need to find my Twitch dashboard. All right, poll is up. If you want to vote, Ripple, Lotus, EVA. I haven't really used the Lotus without. Have I used the Lotus? I don't think I've used the Lotus yet. They've kind of just been sitting here. I haven't really had much time to do stuff lately. It looks like the Ripple switch is going to win. Why is this thing's... I think what I need to do is put this up. Every once in a while, this camera lags. It's annoying. Got about a minute left, but the Ripple switch is absolutely destroying HMX right now. To be fair, it's almost a perfect match. And as far as keycaps go, we're gonna put Nimbus on here because again, it's a pretty solid match. These would probably sound good with foam. Blue topaz would look good on that too. They would, but my blue topazes are in a board at the moment. I don't think they'll be coming out. I have it in my Black Diamond 75. I'm going to be thoroughly impressed if I don't have to tune these stabs. So yeah, we're going to go with Nimbus. I guess I'm not really picky with switches smoked out, so I don't really spring swap anymore. Especially with the amount of switches that I get for review, it'd be pretty tough for me to be spring swapping all the time. Dang, that match is like pretty spot on. How are the Ripple sound profile? So think of an Owl Lab Neon if you've used those, but just ever so slightly more full. Bass bar's good. Yeah, it'll almost make it like a clacky, foamy a clacky foam, if that makes sense. Why are these stabs perfect? That's good though, right? This is like a pre-built with stabs. I mean, that one could probably use some work, but it's good enough for me. This board is really nice for a budget. That's what I heard. That's why I reached out to them and said, hey, let me test it out. And they were like, all right, what color? And that was that. And what I did notice, unlike the last budget boards I've done, it doesn't seem to have the PET sheet or the PET sheet in the center holes of the switches to cause issues with when you put switches in and them not actuating. There's none of that, which is A+. A+ if you ask me. If you ask me. What y'all do this weekend? Anyone doing anything? I know we have Easter. But anyone do anything fun? Kind of just chilling. I've worked. Tomorrow's my first day off all week. And I've worked a couple doubles already. And then I work another double on Monday. So, yeah, that's why I'm having some drinks. Man, I'm about to slam down some wings. What kind of wings did you get? Gonna eat at a really nice place tomorrow. Nice. We just got your typical ham, some potatoes, and veggies. We always do ham on Easter. Doing a pot roast. Ooh, that'll be nice. It's like Benihana, but with Mexican food. That sounds straight. Mix some buffalo, some Asian style, some Nashville hot style. Okay. Appreciate the shout out for Tony. Hope you're having a good night, Tony. This is the easiest build ever. Eyes Angel, thank you for the follow. Hope you're having a good night. And Eric and Joe, we gotta start. I know Shallow's streaming right now, but we all gotta start looking for some dope places to eat for this Texas meat. How are we deciding rooms on the Airbnb? Whoever gets there first, bro. I mean, does it like how many? There's clearly 4 beds, right? Are they all this? What are the different sizes? Yeah, square. So me, Keyboard Dad, ELH, and Shiloh are splitting an Airbnb. What a beast! One king, 2 queens, and I think there's a double. Oh man. In the basement. Rebuilding my stacked 1800 with deep navies. Okay. Deep navies are solid. I don't know. We're gonna have to figure out. We're gonna have to figure that out, how we wanna. We can we can do a 4-player game of, or we can just do a thing. We can do shit, I can't think right now. Marbles. And just go by whoever finishes first, second, third, fourth, etc. I mean, I've slept in many different types of situations, so I guess it really doesn't matter to me. Autoclaim. Like where I went to the beach and didn't care where I slept at the end of the night? Yeah. I was in the military, so I kind of had times where I just slept where I slept. A Leobog, we doing a budget build tonight? We are. So far, it's good. The only qualm that I have, like even the stock stabs are really good, even though they're plate mount, clip on. The only thing I have is knob is red. It doesn't really match the board. Maybe that'll change because there might be backlight or something, but who knows? Not caught your stream live in a minute. Well, I guess I've only been doing 2 nights a week, and then this week I didn't stream on. I didn't stream on Tuesday. I took the week night off. Oh, look! Check out this. Fugo. Was it the Fugo that I got? Got this for cost, y'all. It came with the matching 1U. Yo, this blue is like perfect. It's kind of weird. It's kind of weird that it's perfect. Why does this F4 look? It looks off. Looks fine. No. Meow. What's up, Kev? KBD? Maybe a shout out for Kev. So yeah, I also got Ori in the house. Let's give us a shout out for Ori too. Happy Catter Day. Not a cat liker. I'm allergic AF. Thanks to the shout out for Ori too. What up, Red? Can I pet that dog? I am a dog person. Can't stay long. Thought I'd say hi. Thanks for stopping by, man. Appreciate it. This is a quick build. We're gonna be done here shortly, and then we're gonna jump into a Bower Light rebuild. I have an aluminum plate to use. Build mine with alu plate, kind of better to me. See, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it better just because I really don't like PC plates. GAD inks in 2024, huh? You must really like GAD inks. Those switches be pricey. Switches, we're using the JLabs Ripple switch. Every GAD ink I've owned, I've got rid of just because I don't like the sound profile and they're expensive. I guess I had what did I have? The blue bubble gums. Those are decent. Those are decent. I don't know what all this is. Is there a picture? Give me a picture. I gotta run. I'll be streaming my first time using the FR 301. Have a good one, Eric. Eris. Oil Kings will have a soft spot for you. We got delete and page up, page down. Have fun with that burr. Love those rippers. What up, Carter? Hope you're having a good night on the tube. This thing, I mean, for a foam board, it's foamy and it sounds good as any other foam board I've ever used. I'm 1000% using a super. Used to love them, but then you turn to the clack side. Man, I was low-key mad seeing that there was only sold a 90 count. I didn't know it was only 90 count. I haven't really looked. What did I say? Page up, page down, right? 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. 1000%. Touching keyboards. That looks right. This actually looks really good. Besides this red and these 3 indicator lights, it looks really good. Just released some MZY1s. There was something that I didn't like about them and saw that there's plenty of lube on the bottom of the springs. Okay. I got the Y1s. I thought they were pretty solid. See how this thing sounds. Later forever. You've been replaced. Where's this? Oh, there's the RGB. I want to turn it off. There we go. Let's give y'all the this light's a little more blown out up here. So we'll go back to the side view. I know what I need to do. Looks good. Matches perfect. Carter, for this is just an iPhone, and the top down is M50 Mark II. It's icy. All right, let's let me bring up this monkey type. Oh, what's that? Mizu. There we go. All right, so we have this is a completely stock. This is the complete bare bones Leobog Hi75 PC plate, all the foam, JLab triple switch, and GMK Nimbus keycaps. It's actually not bad. For a foamy board, I like it. I like it. I like it. What's up, Matt? Thanks for the shout out. What y'all think? What's up, Chico? The JLabs ripple switches. The ripples. We'll keep it there, and I'll bust out this Bauer light and we'll get to it. I will say, just my, what was that? Like 45 minutes to get that together with the stabs were perfect out of the box. I don't know if I got that content creator / streamer love on the stabs, but they were perfect. It feels good, looks good, sounds good. If you like a foam, looking for a cheap foam, 75%. The only qualm I said was the actual knob has red in it. It doesn't really match anything. But other than that, it's solid for what it is.